Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my current favorite products. I'm gonna do a full face using my current favorite beauty products. Also, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite jewelry pieces I'm obsessed with and few other things that I'm currently loving, and I hope you guys will find this video really helpful. Let me know if you guys also watch current favorite videos, like your favorite YouTubers, current favorite routine, current favorite makeup products, and it's really helpful at the same time. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna talk about jewelry pieces I'm currently obsessed with, and I'm wearing these pieces regularly, like literally every single day. This is the first piece I want to show you. These earrings are absolutely stunning. This is from this brand called Sarah Jewels, and they have some amazing jewelries, and I literally loved this particular earring. It's like the perfect hoop earring that goes with every single outfit, and it looks super aesthetic at the same time. And I am a person, I love like golden chunky hoops, and I literally have so many golden chunky hoops with me, but these are the ones that I really love. What I'm gonna talk about is this pendant. Now this is my ride or die, like I literally wear this so much. These are waterproof, anti-tarnish, everything, like literally everything. This is from this brand called Ains Boutique, and I have so many jewelry pieces from this brand, and I just love their page so much. And also I have this finger ring from Ains Boutique. It's so beautiful. It's the perfect chunky finger ring that they have, and it contains like small white jewelry mixed with the gold plated one. It's amazing, and I just really love how it fits on my fingers and how it's adjustable at the same time. Also, I am obsessed with my nails. Look at this, where I used like a very deep wine nail paint. These are not nail extensions, these are on my nails only. So my nail artist actually used a gel wine deep red color as a base, and then on top of that he used a clear gel polish to make these 3D art. And after that he polished it with gold, like gold chrome flakes, because I personally don't love wearing only just a simple layer of nail polish. I love doing something on my nails. Gold chrome in it, it gives that beautiful golden touch. Anyways, let's move on to our makeup, and first I'm gonna start with my favorite skincare product that I'm using constantly. This is the MAC Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm, and this particular moisturizer, amazing. This is going to suit so many skin tone, and it's the perfect moisturizer if you don't want to use any primer, or if you just don't want too much on your face before your makeup. It gives you the perfect moisture and also does not feel oily, does not feel sticky. I talked about this product before, and it makes your skin very plump, very hydrated, but in a good way. Let's move on to our foundation and concealer. For my foundation, I am going to use my Fenty Beauty Stick Foundation. This is the most natural looking foundation I have ever used, and it looks so flawless on your skin. Natural coverage than your regular stick foundation. Contains a buildable finish. It's not full coverage at all. You can make it full coverage, but it's more of a natural finish foundation. For my concealer, this is my absolute favorite one, and I'm loving currently. This is the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Concealer, and I have this in the shade C 9.5. The way I'm using this foundation stick from Fenty Beauty in the shade 11, and look how smoothly this glides on my skin. You just need a little bit with this product. I'm using way too much, I know that. Glides so easily all over your skin. You don't have to put too much pressure. What the foundation looks like. It's looking so flawless, gives a glowing finish to my skin, and also does not feel like a stick foundation. You know, the texture is very creamy, but it's super lightweight at the same time, and it gives you this blurring finish, which I really love. The Fenty Beauty skin tint that they have, the liquid skin tint that they have, that one is also very blurring. It gives you this, I don't know how it works, but it gives you this satin velvety type of a finish, and this looks exactly like that. It's super smooth, looks flawless on your skin. Even if you have textured skin, this is going to look flawless. As this is a very lightweight type of formula, this is not going to settle on your fine lines, and it literally feels nothing on your skin. It's my IRL Filter Concealer, and I just love the doe foot applicator of this concealer. It's perfect to apply your concealer. Also, this works perfectly fine as your everyday concealer. It contains a very full coverage, which I really love. It contains a very full coverage, very easy to blend at the same time. Full coverage plus natural looking at the same time. This is what the concealer looks like, and I just love how beautiful, flawless this looks and how well this performs. The quality of this product, the formula is extremely good. Makes your skin look very flawless. It just makes your skin look so beautiful. Even if you have like an oily combination dry skin, you will love this product so much. It's like a hydrating concealer. The name of this concealer is Soft Matte, which is the perfect way to describe this concealer. It's not too much hydrating, it's not too much matte. It contains like a soft matte texture. Currently, I am loving my Milani Make It Last powder. I mentioned about this product before as well, and this is 110 matte. It's a translucent type of a powder. Nothing beats this powder. Like, I have my NARS powder, compact powder. These are also really good, but this one from Milani, oh my god, it's like a chef's kiss. The formula is absolutely stunning. Makeup super long lasting and flawless at the same time. I'm gonna start with some bronzer, blush, and then my eye makeup. For my bronzer, I have this NYX Buttermelt bronzer, and this in the shade Butter Biscuit tone bronzer, and this is what it looks like. Hot vanilla chocolate. Oh my god, how should I describe this? This is amazing. The smell is so beautiful, and the formula is literally like a butter. I have the buttermelt blush as well. But this one is exception. But the bronzers are like perfectly pigmented, not too much. The blush is like extremely pigmented. It's looking so flawless. I have never used a bronzer which gives me this flawless type of a finish. It does not look patchy on my skin. It gives a, gives a soft matte type of a finish, and it works literally with every single foundation. Sometimes a bronzer can look too much powdery on your skin, or maybe if you have skin texture, it can just stick with the skin texture and it can look very bad. But this one is absolute perfection, and I think NYX just killed it with this bronzer. For my blush, I just now uploaded a reel about this blush. This is the Haus blush balm, and I picked up in the shade Glassy Lilac. Now, I know the word lilac literally scares everyone, because sometimes a lilac blush bluish, and it can look very bad if you have dusky skin or maybe a little bit more medium skin. But with this Haus blush, this is a lilac shade, but it contains more of a pink undertone, more of a neutral pink undertone, and it contains a lot of pink. That is the reason it works really well with every single skin tone. I just love how this looks on my skin, even if I use it directly. Gives you glass skin finish. It contains a transparent type of a formula. The formula is very transparent, and the formula is very translucent, and it's pigmented but very translucent. Also, it contains like this beautiful glossy finish which gives you the perfect glass skin effect. This is how it looks like, and as you guys can see, it contains a lot more pink in it rather than a lot more blue or purple. Does not disturb the foundation that I have, does not pick up the foundation. Of course, if you use it directly, this will pick up your foundation. It's a balm, but I will prefer you to use it with a brush first and then blend it really well. The way I applied it is wrong, and you should always apply a cream product with a brush first and then blend it really well on your face. So this is what the blush looks like. You can see how glowy, how glossy this is. The best way to describe it is as a glossy blush. Blush and bronzer done. Now it's time for some eyeshadow. Literally, I'm obsessed with these eyeshadow pots. These eyeshadow, like single eyeshadows from Miss Clear. This one on my vacation recently and I used it so much. I picked up this Miss Clear eyeshadow in the shade 215 and another shade that I have is called 251, and this shade 215 contains the perfect warm brown shade that you need for your everyday makeup. I mean, both the shade you can use for your everyday makeup, and I just really love how it looks on my eyelid, how it goes with my skin color, and it's so good for your everyday makeup. See this beautiful light brown color. This particular eyeshadow is so useful. You can use this just all over your eyelid and then you can play with anything that you want. You can play with your kajal, you can use some shimmer shade, and you will create a stunning eye makeup look in just 2 minutes, like not even 2 minutes. So this is what this shade looks like. Look how beautiful. If I talk about my current obsession, I think I'm literally so obsessed with this Revlon Color Stay One Stroke Defining Eyeliner in the shade Hot Fudge, which is a blackish, brownish, smoky color. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's like the hottest and blackest brown shade I've ever used. This says that this is waterproof, but this is not waterproof. This is what the kajal pencil looks like, but it's very long lasting. I personally loved how long lasting this is because I used it so many times on my vacation and it stayed in place the entire day. So I'm gonna use it just on my lower lash line. This is what the kajal looks like. I just use it all over my lower lash line, and that's how I'm using this kajal regularly, and I think I am absolutely in love with it. The color matches so beautifully, and this is the eye makeup look that I'm doing for I don't know how many weeks now, and I'm very obsessed with this eye makeup look currently. With this, I am going to use my favorite mascara. This is Smashbox Superfan mascara, and this is what it looks like. This is what the mascara looks like. I try to focus it outward. On my lips, I think I just love this lip liner so much. This is from Fenty Beauty. They recently launched this lip liner and I picked up this in the shade 06, which is the perfect brown color. So I'm gonna use, first of all, look at this packaging. Isn't it so beautiful? It feels super high-end. So this is what the color Extra Thigh looks like. You can literally use this as a lip color with some lip balm, and this is going to stay forever. I just love how beautiful this color looks, and it's the perfect neutral brown color. And on top of that, I'm gonna use my Milani Fruit Fetish lip oil, and I think this was the first lip oil that went viral, and I just love how beautiful this lip oil looks from Milani. And I picked up this in the shade, I think lychee. That's what the shade is. It smells divine, like so amazing. These lip oils are like not extremely pigmented, but it gives you the perfect amount of color that you need. So yeah guys, this is my finished makeup look. These are all my favorite makeup products that I'm currently obsessed with, and I am just loving how this makeup look turned out. My skin is looking so flawless, and like all the products are so good. They perform so well. I am absolutely in love. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.